Alright, doing a quick video here on the unboxing of our brand new eclipse shades for safe solar eclipse and indeed solar viewing. So they come in this little pouch here and in this box. See what these are all about. And you get, with this particular kind, you get, the thing said 2 of these kind. These little like paper 3D glasses looking things. There's actually 2 sets in there. So you can view the sun or solar eclipses with your friends. Instructions for use. Wear your eclipse shades glasses to protect your eyes from solar radiation anytime you look directly at the sun or the sun's reflection. When looking at a solar eclipse, use your eclipse shades whenever any part of the sun, no matter how small, is visible. The product should not be used with any other optical appliances such as cameras, telescopes, or binoculars. This product is a toy. Children should use only with adult supervision. Warning: never look at the sun without special eye protection or our YouTube channel. Do not use if damaged. Using damaged eclipse shades can result in severe eye injury. Before each use, check the front and back of each lens for damage such as scratches, pinholes, or separation from the frame. If damaged, cut into small pieces and discard. Do not attempt to clean or disinfect. Under general conditions of use, this should not be necessary. So there you go. The eclipse shades, they come with this pouch, which it looks like that's a lens wipe as well. And again, you get these 2 free pairs of paper ones. Here's the real product. And I won't cite where this is bought from because we are not paid to say this. So it's got this band, I guess, to hang them, you know, around your neck. And there are the shades. They're plastic. Feels pretty decent. Doesn't feel too cheesy. And of course, if you put these on, you will be able to see nothing through them unless you're looking at something as bright as an arc welder or the sun. So there you go. We will be using these with an appliance like a camera at some point. Our brand new eclipse shades. Look for some imagery of the sun through our camera and so on coming soon. No review yet. We'll have to do a review after it's light out when we actually view the sun.